In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove and install the Moen 1255 Duralast Cartridge. It fits our single-handle faucets manufactured after 2009. Your situation may vary slightly depending on the faucet model. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the main water supply and open the faucet handle to relieve any water pressure and drain the lines. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a hex or Allen wrench, adjustable wrench, and safety glasses if desired. Step 2. Remove the trim and the 1255 Duralast cartridge. Unthread the set screw to detach the handle. Remove the dome. Unthread the cartridge nut. Pull out the 1255 cartridge. Step 3. Install the new 1255 Duralast cartridge. Insert the new 1255 into the faucet, making sure the tabs on the cartridge align with the grooves in the faucet. If the existing faucet has a brass cartridge nut, use it with the new cartridge. If it has a plastic cartridge nut, use the new plastic nut. Tighten the cartridge nut by hand, then use an adjustable wrench to secure it in place. Finish up by reinstalling the dome and handle. Congratulations! Your job is done. Removing and installing the 1255 Duralast cartridge is fast and easy with Moen. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.